In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your business's digital presence by setting up automated email campaigns using Squarespace. This tutorial will provide a straightforward walkthrough on how to get started with creating seamless and effective email automations to engage your audience effortlessly. To kick things off, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Squarespace. Once you're there, ensure that you've logged into your site management dashboard. If you're not yet a member or haven't created a site, you will need to sign up first and establish your online presence with a Squarespace website. This part is crucial since the email campaign feature works hand in hand with your site. Now, from your dashboard, look towards the side panel for the marketing section. Under this category, you will find the option labeled Email Campaigns. Click on this to direct yourself to the subsection where all your email marketing activities are consolidated. This is where the real magic happens, as it allows you to communicate directly with your audience through well-designed email sequences. Here, you'll want to focus on the Automations tab. Think of this as your automation hub. Clicking on Automations will bring you to a page dedicated to setting up automatic communications. Essentially, these are predetermined sequences that can be triggered by specific user actions on your site. This can be extremely effective for nurturing leads, fostering customer loyalty, and converting potential clients effortlessly. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Create Automation. Squarespace will present you with a variety of pre-built automation templates. This section is designed to save you time and creativity, helping you connect with your audience in meaningful ways without having to start from scratch. Some of the most popular options here include automations like welcoming new subscribers, responding to form submissions, and expressing gratitude to first-time customers. Choose the one that best fits your immediate needs, but don't worry if you feel uncertain. You can always test different automation types over time to see which one resonates best with your audience. Once you've chosen your preferred automation, you'll be guided through a few more customization steps where you can personalize the messaging and establish triggers. Be sure to tailor the content to reflect your brand's personality. It's your opportunity to make an authentic connection. After completing these final adjustments, your automation is ready to deploy. Just sit back and watch as this tool works diligently for you, streamlining your efforts and keeping your audience engaged. In conclusion, setting up automated email campaigns using Squarespace is a fantastic way to maintain strong customer relationships with minimal manual effort. By investing some initial time to configure your sequences, you pave the way for ongoing communication that's both effective and personalized, keeping your brand top of mind. Now you're ready to move your digital marketing strategy to the next level and witness the positive impact of automation firsthand.